My world is made up of words, not the ordinary sort of words. The ones that grace the messages and posts of the virtual world, and the quick, emotionless texts of my generation, though I do dabble in them. Or the jargon-filled outpourings that make up the worlds of those skilled in fields I could not even begin to understand. Nay, my world is words that are full of graces and meaning that I must carefully grasp, lest the true meaning slip through my fingers, like sand. When this happens, like any true lover of the world beyond reality does, I do not despair. Instead, rebuilding the tall walls of my creative labyrinth that keeps out the pains of reality. I love language, the ebb and flow of communication, the outpouring of ideas, innermost and even shallow thoughts is what I truly revel in. My mother tells me that when I was young, I would acquire a new word by spending days finding every place where it could possibly be used. Today older, but perhaps still as wise, I search for the perfect context of every word. I once spent months of finding trepidation, and while I still cannot give an acceptable dictionary definition of it that would be understandable to anyone but myself, the taste of trepidation on my tongue is sweeter having myself fathomed it. Many would not understand, but words have tastes, feelings, meanings, stories. Some would call it connotation. I call it lightning. The flash of the perfect word at the perfect moment and its resounding thunder response can inspire, can shine through in warm, cold hearts, changing lives, even worlds. Lightning is an indescribable entity. It makes my heart beat with a heavy lightness that both chains it to my chest and sets it free to fly above the world and shine like a star, or lie along the seashore, beating like the tide until it actually becomes the tide. I know that my lightning chasing can leave me wildly misunderstood. My use of trepidation and fear will leave my words lost in translation. To deep within my heavy heart, which beats forth ink, not blood, I do not care. After all, I believe in the taste of lightning. Are you serious? I forgot my frog gloves again! In case anyone was wondering, this is what the floor looked like after I was done. Yeah, kind of a mess.